For decades, building software meant mastering a rigid, unforgiving syntax. If you missed a single semicolon or a bracket, the entire machine stalled. But that mechanical requirement is now being replaced by the way we already speak. Historically, this created a massive bottleneck. Taking an idea from your head to a working prototype required either years of specialized computer science training or a funded engineering team to translate your intent into code. A new class of creator is navigating this shift. Using tools like Claude Code, these prompt builders act as orchestrators, directing an AI agent to handle the implementation while they focus entirely on the project's strategy and design. This moves us past the slow one-to-one developer pipeline. Instead of a human manually typing every single line of code, you are now managing a tireless digital workforce that can read entire directories, install complex packages, and fix bugs in seconds.
This massive shift levels the playing field. When the mechanical translation is automated, a single professional can build and maintain software with the speed and complexity of a traditional development firm. The process of building an application this way does not start in a complex code editor. It begins on a blank strategic canvas where ideas are simply spoken or typed. But the agent doesn't just guess what you want. Using plan mode, Claude Code stops to interrogate you, clarifying edge cases, database schemas, and technical trade-offs before a single file is modified. You provide the high-level business logic, while the AI translates that intent into a formal system design document. This deliberate planning phase maps out the entire project architecture in advance. It creates a technical blueprint that keeps the agent focused, preventing the hallucinations often associated with simpler AI chatbots. In this environment, your value is no longer tied to typing flawless logic loops. The premium skill is now the ability to apply rigorous logic and clarify exactly what a product needs to do. Most AI models are trapped inside a chat window. They can generate text, but they can't actually reach out and manipulate the tools or files on your computer. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, acts as a universal adapter that breaks this isolation. With MCP, the agent steps out of the browser. It can read your local file system, execute terminal commands, and push data directly into external services. Builders then load the agent with skills, expert playbooks that define how to handle specific tasks. Using these playbooks, the main agent can spawn multiple autonomous sub-agents to work on different parts of the project at once. This is parallel execution. While one sub-agent builds the user interface, another tests the database structure, and a third conducts a code review for security vulnerabilities. By coordinating these agents, a single individual achieves the immediate output capacity of an entire engineering department, with every step of the process happening simultaneously. These technical blueprints are producing material results. Across the web, individuals are now deploying functional digital products that previously required specialized teams. We're seeing automated proposal tools that instantly pull client data, parse complex requirements, and format professional documents for B2B agencies in seconds. Operators are architecting SEO content engines that autonomously research competitors, analyze keyword trends, and draft comprehensive 6,000-word guides without human oversight. Others have built continuous social media loops, systems that create, schedule, and publish content automatically, responding to real-time engagement data around the clock. The human role has shifted. You are no longer the manual laborer typing the code. You are the CEO of your own digital assembly line, reviewing the work and deciding what to build next. The tools to wield this capacity are no longer gatekept by elite tech firms. They are open, documented, and available to anyone with an internet connection. When you can describe a vision with enough logic to guide an agent, you no longer need to wait for a developer's schedule or a funded team's approval. The barrier between an idea and a working product has collapsed into a single conversation.